Alright, so we are back, and today we're talking about the Nextbase IQ. Now, most of the time when we talk about dash cams, we're just talking about a little box that records video to an SD card so you have proof for insurance if someone hits you. But the IQ is completely different. It's being marketed as a smart dash cam, and we think it's more like a full-blown security system for your car. No matter if you're worried about break-ins, monitoring your kid who just got his license, or just wanting that extra layer of protection when you're parked in a sketchy area, this thing is designed to stay connected 24/7. We've got the 4K model here to see if it actually cuts the mustard, so let's get started. Inside the box, you're going to find the IQ camera itself, which is a pretty substantial unit. Along with that, they include a black OBD power cable for a super easy installation, a red hardwire cable if you prefer to go straight into the fuse box, and a handy fitting tool to help with the cable management. The device is unique because it features both a forward-facing camera to capture the road and a built-in cabin camera to record everything happening inside the car. To get started with the setup, you just scan the QR code on the box to download the Nextbase IQ app. This is where everything happens. It provides step-by-step guidance, live views, and all your notifications. We started by connecting the camera to the power cable and plugging it into the car's OBD port. For most of you, that port is going to be located right under the dashboard on the driver's side. Once it's powered up, the device lights up and displays a QR code right on its own screen to sync with your phone. Before mounting it, make sure to clean the windshield thoroughly. You'll want to mount the camera ideally near the passenger side mirror so it doesn't block your line of sight. Then, just adjust the antennas to make sure you're getting a good signal. We use the included fitting tool to neatly tuck away the cables along the dashboard and the pillars for a clean, factory-looking install. Now, it's important to remember that the rear camera doesn't actually come in the box with the front unit. You have to buy that separately. If you decide to go with the rear cam, you just attach it to the back window, route the cable along the headliner, and plug it into the front unit. The system comes with an SD card for local storage, but you can always remove it or upgrade to a bigger one if you want more space for your footage. Once both cameras are mounted and the wires are tucked, the Nextbase IQ is fully installed and ready to use. Now, let's talk about what this thing can actually do in terms of resolution. The video appears decently clear when you're viewing it through the app on your phone. Nextbase offers multiple resolution options with the IQ. Depending on which model you buy, the front camera comes with either a 4K, 2K, or a standard 1080p module, all with a solid 140-degree viewing angle to capture the entire road. The cabin camera is also pretty impressive. On the 1080p model, it shoots at 1080p, but if you step up to the 2K or 4K versions, the interior cam jumps to 1440p with a massive 180-degree field of view. As for that optional rear camera we mentioned, it records at 2K with a 140-degree viewing angle. To us, having that 360-degree coverage is the way to go if you're serious about security. What really sets the Nextbase IQ apart from your run-of-the-mill dash cam is the smart side of things. This isn't just for accidents or insurance, it's for protecting your lifestyle. For example, if you're a contractor or someone who keeps valuable tools in your vehicle, this thing is a lifesaver. When a vehicle gets targeted for a break-in, the user instantly receives a notification on their phone, alerting them that someone is getting too close. With the Smart Sense parking feature, the IQ gives you constant visibility, essentially helping to stop a crime before it can even happen. It can be the difference between starting your workday on time or having your operations brought to a complete halt because your gear was stolen. Then there is Guardian Mode. With more cars on the road today and everyone being distracted by their phones, monitoring younger drivers has never been more important. Guardian Mode lets you set preset cautions, like hard braking, speeding, or even driving beyond a specific mapped boundary. If the driver hits a certain speed or leaves the area you've set, the IQ sends an instant update to your phone. It even allows you to send real-time audio messages directly to the driver through the camera. Another feature we think is massive is Witness Mode. This is for those high-stress situations like road rage incidents or even police stops. All you have to do is say, "Activate Witness Mode," and the camera starts recording and streaming real-time video evidence to your emergency contacts, family members, or friends. It's about having that peace of mind that someone else is seeing what you're seeing in real time. To keep all these 4G features running, Nextbase offers 3 different subscription plans. The Solo plan is completely free and includes the basic app access, voice control, and text notifications. If you want to step it up, the Protect plan adds the more advanced stuff like real-time image notifications, live view, smart sense parking, and witness mode, along with 30 days of cloud storage. The big one is Protect Plus, which includes everything in the Protect plan but boosts your cloud storage to 180 days and adds multiple user accounts and the emergency SOS feature. You can switch between these plans at any time with no contract, and they even offer a 1-month free trial so you can see which one actually fits your needs. Speaking of emergency SOS, this is a feature we hope nobody ever has to use, but it's incredible to have. If there is a serious accident and the driver is unresponsive, the Nextbase IQ can automatically share the vehicle's location and medical details with emergency services. In those first few minutes after a crash, that kind of reliable help is what really matters. In our opinion, the Nextbase IQ is probably the most advanced piece of tech we've put in the rig so far. It's definitely not the cheapest option on the market, especially when you factor in the monthly subscription for the 4K features. But the level of protection you're getting is on another level. It's not just a camera, it's a security guard, a witness, and an emergency responder all rolled into one. If you're looking for the ultimate peace of mind, this setup really cuts the mustard. So, that's our look at the Nextbase IQ. Let us know what you think about it. We'll leave the links down in the description so you can check the current pricing. If you found this helpful, do us a favor. Hit that like button, share this with your loved ones for their safety, and subscribe with the notification bell on so you don't miss the next build update. Other than that, we hope you all have a simple day. Peace.